I'm so sorry. Oh. Babe, you're here to pick me up? You shouldn't have. You wanted to walk me home? Why? You just wanted my company. Don't say that so casually. No, it's just, you always get me flustered so easily. It's embarrassing. You think I'm adorable when I'm flustered. Thank you? Sure, I appreciate your company, but you really don't have to go through all the trouble. My home isn't too far from here, so you should. Oh yeah, your place isn't too far from mine either. I suppose it would be okay if we went together then. Thank you. Wow. The streets become so beautiful and festive every Christmas. Just look at the lights on the clothing store over there. They're dazzling, aren't they? Sometimes I wish our coffee shop had more extravagant decorations, just because I love the way they look. But I'm okay with our simple decorations. Just a string of lights can brighten things up. Huh? How did you know I was one of the people decorating the shop? Oh, right. You were there that day. I remember now. And now I'm remembering that I made a fool of myself by ending up tangled in the lights. But I embarrassed myself in front of you. I didn't want you to think of me as a clumsy fool. You never once thought I was a fool? Thank you. Hey, it's kinda cold today, isn't it? Yeah, not as cold as the day I gave you my number, but, I just... Could you hold my hand? Thanks. What's your favorite part of the holidays? I personally really like the decorations. It never ceases to amaze me when people get creative with their decorations. And the lights and colors are always so pretty. I love walking through the snow just looking at them all. Ah, so that's your favorite thing? That suits you. No, I wasn't trying to fill the awkward silence. It's... I don't have to try to fill it, but I like talking to you, and now that we're dating, I get to talk to you more. But I don't know what to talk about. You just enjoy my company. Well, thank you. And I'm just glad that you're here with me. It's almost like you're my Christmas gift. You don't mind being my gift? Did you just kiss the back of my hand? No, oh, please don't look so worried. I don't mind. I was just surprised. No, you don't make me uncomfortable. I feel safe around you. It's only a few more days until Christmas, so do you mind spending it with me? I don't mind if you have other appointments or something, but I'd really like it if you came to see me. You will? Really? Thank you. I'd love to see you when Christmas rolls around. We're here already? That walk felt shorter than usual. Alright, I will have a safe night, but, well, it's cold, and the streets are slippery. I know it's not a long walk to your house, but would you like to come in and drink hot cocoa with me? I promise I won't keep you if you don't want to. It's just to warm up for a little while. Really? You will? Okay then. Come in and rest. I'll get the fire and the hot cocoa started.